How to download TikTok videos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any TikTok video directly to your device quickly and easily. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, find the video you want to download and tap on it to open it. Let me show you. From there, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll through the sharing options and look for Download option. Tap on it to download the video directly to your gallery. In the next step, the video will begin downloading, and once done, you'll find it saved in your gallery app. Here's an important note. Some TikTok videos have downloads completely disabled by the creator, and if that's the case, there's unfortunately no way to download that specific video. And that's it. If this guide helped you download TikTok videos on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.